In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Dropbox. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You can use any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Simply type Dropbox into the search bar and hit enter. On the search results page, you'll see various links related to Dropbox. It's essential to click on the correct link, which typically appears at the top of the results. This ensures you're directed to the official Dropbox site where you can safely manage your files. Once you have clicked the link, you will be taken to the Dropbox homepage. This step is crucial because starting from the official site keeps your information secure. Now that you're on the Dropbox homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button and you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. This typically includes your email address and password associated with your Dropbox account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up link. Logging in allows you to access your files and manage your Dropbox storage effectively. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. This action connects you to your account, bringing you one step closer to uploading your PDF. With your account open, it's time to upload your PDF file. To do this, locate the PDF file on your computer that you wish to upload. Then simply drag and drop this PDF file directly into the browser window where Dropbox is open. You will see a prompt indicating that the file is being uploaded. This is a straightforward method that makes uploading files both quick and efficient. By dragging and dropping, you save time compared to navigating through menus. It's a user-friendly approach that many find convenient. Once you have dropped the PDF file into Dropbox, wait for the upload to complete. You will see a progress bar or a confirmation message indicating that the upload is in process. This step is important because it ensures that your file is fully transferred to your Dropbox account. Depending on the size of the PDF and your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. Patience is key here, as rushing through this step might lead to incomplete uploads. Once the upload is finished, you will see the PDF listed among your files in Dropbox. This confirmation reassures you that your document is now safely stored in the cloud, accessible from anywhere. This process is a great way to keep your documents organized and secure. By following these steps, you can upload any PDF to Dropbox quickly and efficiently. Remember, having your files stored in the cloud not only keeps them safe, but also makes them easy to share with others. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to upload PDFs to Dropbox with confidence. Whether you're storing important documents for work or personal use, Dropbox offers a reliable solution for all your file management needs. Thank you for following along and happy uploading.